log into your Instacart account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get the Instacart application through your App Store or Play Store, and then you'll be able to tap on the login button on the very beginning of your page, right? But here, if you want to use the website, you can also do that. Simply browse instacart.com. You'll be able to get into this page where you can see the login button on the top right here. Tap on that one and you'll be able to get into the login page where you can simply add in your email address right here and then tap on continue. But if you have connected your account using any of those platforms like your Google or Facebook ID, you can tap on them and continue with that too, right? But if you have used your phone number, you can also tap on the phone number right here, and all you need to do is add in your phone number, and when you tap on continue, there you'll be able to write in the verification code sent to you, and after writing that verification code, you'll be able to log into your Instacart. If you're using email, you'll need to add in your email address, then tap on continue, then add in the password of your account, and after writing down the password of your account, you'll successfully be able to log into your Instacart account like that.